Good morning, class. Today I am going to start with a new chapter, Operations on Set. So, before starting the chapter, I would give you a small introduction on sets. What are sets? Sets are combination of same type of elements together. Okay, like if I say A is a set that has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is a set that has elements 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is a set. Always name of a set is given in capital letters. Okay, like here itself, A, B, X, P, or anything. The name of set is always given in the capital letters, and the elements inside the set means the numbers that are kept inside the set or a alphabet kept inside a set is called element of that set. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, here these are the elements. If we have another set, say V, A, E, I, O, U. This is the other set that has all the vowels. So we have named that set as V. Okay, before we had gone through one more thing, that we can represent it in one more form, like X, such that X belongs to vowels. So the next topic here is types of sets. So what are the types of set? First is equal set. Equal sets means we are comparing two sets. How? Like if we are said C is equals to, set C is equals to 4, 7, 9 and 13, and F is also equals to 4, 7, 9 and 13. Then we can say that A is equals to, C is equals to F. Set C is equals to set F. Okay, C and F are equal sets. Means if we see, they have all the elements same, 4, 7, 9, 13, 4, 7, 9, 13. C and F has all the elements same. No element is different in that. All the elements are same in this. So these are called the equal sets. All the elements are same in both these sets. Next type is finite set. What are finite set? Finite set means a set that have finite number of elements in it. Finite number of elements in it. What do I mean? Like if we have a set name x is equals to 1 2 3 5 9. So how many number of elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5. There are, means number of elements in x are 5. Means the number of elements are countable. Countable number of elements. Okay, we can count the number of elements. Like here we could count that there are 5 elements. And here that I have written nx is equals to 5. This is the number of elements in 5. Number of elements in a set, in a finite set. Why finite set? Because finite set is a set in which we can count the number of elements, and if we want to count the number of elements in a set, so it should have a finite number of elements. Means that is we can count it, and a number of elements in a finite set is called cardinal number. Cardinal number of a set is the number of elements in a finite set. Okay, here cardinal number is 5. If we have another set, say a equals to a b c, here n of a is equals to 3. This is the cardinal number of set A. Cardinal number means number of elements in set A. So our next type here is infinite sets. Infinite set means in which there are infinite number of elements. Set with infinite number of elements. What does this means? Infinite number of elements means like if we have a set that has numbers 1 2 3 4 and so on up to plus infinity, means the numbers till the end it goes, but there is no ending of a number system. There is no ending of number system, that is we cannot count actual value. We will just write it has infinite number of elements in the set. We don't have an actual number. Okay, these are uncountable number of elements. Like if we say a set of alphabets, B is a set X such that X are English alphabets. What does this means? This has 26 elements, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. So this is a finite set. It has a number of elements in it. Okay, this is a finite set. Got my point? Next type here is empty set. Empty set means set that have no element in it. Means there is no element, it is an empty set, it has no element. That is like A belongs to a empty set, there is no element in this set. Okay, this can also be written as, okay, means it has no element in it, it is empty set. This is a symbol that represents the empty set. So if we write a cardinal number for this, that is number of elements in A is equals to 0. Yeah, there are no elements in this, so this is the empty set. Okay.